Hey, it's Wayne from truthaboutmortgagerates.com here with another update. We're really seeing a lot happening in the mortgage market starting to come back into focus for everybody. In the past week, we've seen rates move down again, based again on news that the Treasury Fed looking to buy mortgage-backed securities in an attempt to drive rates down. Again, manipulate the market, as we talked about in our last video. We saw them move down into the mid, even into the low fives this week. And then we saw some selling come about. Again, whenever you have a sharp run up in bond prices, again, meaning a sharp drop in rates, it typically will see some selling off for people to take profits, again, similar to what happens in the stock market. So we saw that rates backed off here after the quick run up in prices, again, drop in rates. And now we've seen the market then start to move back again because now more news again of the Fed and Treasury again looking to come in and buy mortgage-backed securities. Now, all that hasn't happened yet. Still waiting for it to happen. So this is all in anticipation. And as we saw with the TARP money, maybe they're going to change their mind again. Now, I do believe that this will actually come to bear because all the bailouts have been for, again, the big companies, big banks, all that, and they're looking to get something, into the hands of actual consumers, homeowners, to give them some kind of benefit, but also looking at need to address the housing market. Nothing has really been attacked directly at the housing market. Here you can look at getting mortgage rates down, making things more affordable for people when they're going to buy and say, here, based on where the prices are and lower rates, gee, this is a great time to buy. Get some people off the sidelines, get them out there buying homes. We desperately need that. Now, this can also give money for refinancing, getting people lower their monthly payments, put some more cash in their pocket, help them in that sense, and then we have some of that money get back into the economy to help improve the economy, get some spending going. Now, if in order for them to bring rates down considerably, and there was even a little talk here of rates going down to 4.5%, that's where they want to move them down to. Now, again, it's going to be a little bit difficult for them to do all of that. Whether, again, can they buy enough to drive those rates down? Because it can't really control the whole market because there's other traders, other things going on. So it's not just one thing. Say, hey, we want the rate to be this and that's that. Number two is if we see stocks start to move back up because they've been beaten down so much. If you see money going back into stocks, it's going to be very hard to keep rates down extremely low. Now, all of this stuff they're looking at going on, the new plan may not come about for a few months. The initial one that they said was supposed to happen in somewhere in about the next month or so. That's why rates are even bumping back down a little bit here in anticipation of that. So we really have to see how is all this going to play out, and how are the other factors of the stock market moving. How do people feel about, investors feel about putting money back into mortgage-backed securities, especially at the high prices, lower rates. It's going to be tough to see all of that play out. And then how long is all that going to stay? Having rates down for a week or two isn't going to put a ton of money into the economy. Now, having rates down for 6 months, maybe. But I don't know, it's going to be kind of difficult and it's really unprecedented to see it do that. Now, you really want to understand what does all of this mean and what are the questions you should be asking someone if you're looking at someone to help refinance. Again, check out truthaboutmortgagerates.com. Check the link over there. That's going to give you information to really start to understand some of this stuff and have some of the questions that you can be asking someone that you're dealing with and working on a mortgage. Till next time, this is Wayne from truthaboutmortgagerates.com. See you next time.